Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the Walgreens preview for the week of January the 28th to February the 3rd. Lots of great deals in this ad, and as the week marches on, there might be even more deals like it was last week. And for all of you that really love curbside shopping, we still have that 10 back when you spend 50. It bleeds into the following week, and then we have another booster as well. So there's an opportunity to get some deals rocking and rolling. 17 back when you spend 50, pairing it with deals. There's a lot to be had. So if I find something on Sunday, I'll definitely let you guys know, and I will test it out as well. Now with this week, you got to treat it as a new month because there'll be new IVCs and new monthly deals. It's a new month over at Walgreens. The full ad in its entirety, along with all digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 28th. Please treat this video as a preview. As it's a couple weeks away from Valentine's Day, they're kind of ramping up with the little Valentine's Day stuff, along with the Super Bowl. I think it's going to be like similar, like the same week. So there's going to be a lot more food deals as well. First, thing we're going to look at are some of these deals of the week. 4 for $10 with the P&G laundry care. It's the lower tier stuff. $1.99 for the Walgreens brand toilet paper. I always like when that shows up. And $4.99 for all. I'm wondering if we're going to get a digital coupon. And then BOGO free for the Arm & Hammer packs. First deal that we're going to look at is with the Olay body wash for $7. We're going to have a 5 off 3 digital and then a $5 reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of these for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $16. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, or if you have a booster like spend 20, get back 5, it would make this deal so much better. So we'll have to wait and see what shows up, but what a deal. Next deal that we have is with the Head & Shoulders shampoo. We're going to be looking for the bottles at $6, and we have a 3 off 2 digital, $4 register reward when you buy 2 of these. Grabbing 2 of these shampoos, it's going to be $12 on the nose, subtracting your digital coupon. You're going to pay $9, get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Head & Shoulders. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This is the sort of shampoo I always love to have on hand, especially if you use a lot of dry shampoo. It's really great to just like clean your hair out. It's like a cleansing shampoo. I really love it. Now we're looking at a General Mills cereal deal. They're 2 for $5. And IBOTTA has a rebate for $1 back when you buy 2. Double, triple check that you have the same rebate as I love IBOTTA. It's just one of my favorite apps. If you have not signed up, sign up today. If you use the link in the notes, I think you're given like a $5 bonus when you use my referral code, which is terrific. And it's such an easy app to use as well. And we really do a lot of deals over at Walgreens. Link in the description. Aium also has a rebate of $1 back when you buy 2, so you can apply for that one post the IBOTTA rebate. So grabbing 2 of these boxes, it's going to be $5, $1 back from IBOTTA, $1 back from Shopmium, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And definitely open up both of the apps and scan the barcodes of the cereals you're picking up in case there's something that you're grabbing and it's not part of it, just to ensure that, you know, you get your rebate money back. And we have the cheap dental care deal of the week going to Colgate. There's a $4 coupon when you buy 2 and a $3 reward when you buy 2. So we're looking at the $4 products, grabbing 2 of them. That's going to be $8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, a lot of Unilever products, Dove, Axe, there's very high value coupons showing up on Sunday, including a 7 off of 2. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Dove. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this with no booster. And if by chance you aren't going to do any of these deals, on Sunday, just load all of the very high value Unilever coupons, such as this Dove one, because you'll use it later in the week or in the month. Now we're going to dive into some honorable mentions. The first is a food one. We have the Oscar Mayer bacon, and this is a pound of bacon, 2 for $10, which is a really good price point. So it's $5 a pack. I mean, Walmart doesn't even sell it for that price point. So, I mean, that's really great. And if there's none in stock, don't be shy to ask for a rain check so you can get that price at a later time when they have it in stock. And I made this, I think, on Friday. I just bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And look at my Walgreens bacon, how beautiful that looks. So for a lot of you that are apprehensive to buy bacon at the pharmacy, I know it's weird. Look how great this looks. So this is how I do it, and it turned out perfectly, and we even had some for breakfast this morning, so I do love. And also, we have 2 for $4 for the Pop-Tarts. I know it was like $4.79 BOGO free. There is no IBOTTA rebate for the Pop-Tarts, but who knows, as the month marches on, maybe something will pop up. But that's a really good price point, like $2 a box. And we have the Walgreens brand toilet paper, the Complete Home products. $1.99. That is a stock up price. I think this is a knockoff of Charmin. It's probably made in the same factory, if I had to venture a guess. Now, this is so expensive. The Schwarzkopf 2 for $24, but there's a 7 off 2 digital coupon. I know that a lot of hair care was on clearance. Just load it. Maybe there'll be a deal in a couple of weeks. Love Beauty Planet. We have a 9 off 2 digital coupon. So like I'm saying, like all these high value coupons for these products, just load all of them so you're not without them for a big coupon deal. This one kind of expensive for toothpaste if some very generous coupons show up for Crest or Scope or whatever. Maybe, but right now, not much of a deal. Colgate's the better deal. And then we have spend 20, get back 10 on Eucerin Gold Bond. That was a last month deal, and I think it's coming over this week or this month again. So we'll have to wait and see, but it's back in the ad again, so I love that. And then $6.49 for the Airwick oils, and we're going to have a $6.49 off 2, basically making it a BOGO free, which is always nice to see. Before I take off, guys, I made a video the last couple of days about the Dollar General quarter sale. And even if you are, you're like, oh, there's nothing left in the store, you might be surprised, especially if you're really good at looking through regular section, end caps, or even just like if you have a keen eye for this. I show a lot of UPCs and what is and is not included and where I found it in the store. I will link the videos at the very end. And I know a lot of us are scoring big. This is 3 days of it. I didn't go shopping yesterday, but I dreamed of it. That's it for this video, guys. And if you're interested in Dollar General quarter sale, watch the video right here. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.